How meal preparation helps with weight loss?
So it actually, if I'm preparing my own meal, I know what products I'm using, whether I'm using the brown sugar or I'm using honey or I'm using white sugar, what products are good for our body. So number one is choice of products. What products are being used in the restaurants and what products are being used by us when I prepare the food. So that's why it's extremely important. Number two is like whether I washed my hand or not. So hygiene is very important. And number three is the quantity. When I go to the restaurant, I may be given a big platter in front of me and I might just eat all of it. So portion control is the number three. All these three, four things actually helps us to what we take in and how much we take in. So it helps us in the weight control.